Where's my red nose at? Oh, there it is. At. So whether fancy dressed or doing a challenge, it's the perfect time to use a talent. You can stand on your head, see how long you last, or find out who can knit you the longest scarf. See, it doesn't really matter, just get involved. On your mark, get set and ready to roll. When you see that red nose, if it makes you happy, say, there it is. Exactly.